Premium mesh bag. Store and organize all your fitness equipment with these nylon mesh bags by Champion Sports. Our sports equipment bags are made with heavy-duty, durable nylon, and are available in 9 vibrant colors. Adjustable drawstring. Each multifunctional, large stuff sack features a sliding drawstring closure and lock, to conveniently keep everything tucked away until you need it. It also comes with an ID tag for easy identification. Lightweight and breathable. Our mesh bag for balls is made with soft, breathable material to allow wet or sweaty gear to quickly dry, without leaving behind unpleasant smells. This makes it great to use after trips to the pool or long tournaments. Versatile stuff sack. These sports equipment bags are multifunctional, use them for anything you need stored. They can be used as large mesh bags for socks, laundry and delicates, or bags for swimming and snorkeling gear, or beach toys. Great for everyone. Whether you're a college student, parent or coach, these strong, secure mesh storage bags are perfect to suit all your needs. Organize balls in school gyms and rec centers, and keep workout clothes conveniently tucked away. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. Bought 2. Actually purchased these for my outdoor hammock storage. They are the perfect size and along with my storage racks, allowed me to have storage for my 2 hammocks, in minutes, BTW, for less than $20.